Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving deep into the world of passive income and explore how you can make money without lifting a finger. But before we get into the nifty gritty, let's address the elephant in the room. Is it really possible to make money without doing anything? Well, we are about to find out. To kick things off, let's break down what passive income actually is. Passive income is money earned with minimal to no effect on your part. It's like planting a money tree and watching it grow while you sleep. But here's the things, setting up these income streams might require some initial effort, but once they're in place, they can generate income for you without constant attention. To illustrate this concept, let me introduce you to Sarah. She is a digital artist who started selling her artwork online. At first, it took a lot of work to create a portfolio, market her pieces, and build a customer base. But now her art is available for sale 24/7, and she earns money every time someone purchases her work. Every while she is on vacation or sleeping, that's passive income is action. There are various ways to earn passive income, and we were exploring some popular methods. Investing in stocks, bonds, or real estate can generate dividend interest or rental income over time. If you create online content like YouTube videos, vlogs, or podcasts, you can earn money through advertising, affiliate marketing, or selling digital products. Owning rental properties can provide a steady stream of income once they set up and manage efficiently. Some companies pay dividends to their shareholders regularly, offering a constant income source. If you are a creative person, you can earn royalties from your music, books, or inventions. Let's meet Dave. He is an engineer who started investing in dividend-paying stock. Over the year, Dave accumulated a diversified portfolio, and now he receives regular dividend payments from his investments, allowing him to enjoy a more comfortable retirement. Now that you know the different type of passive income, let's discuss how to build these income streams. Research and education start by learning about the passive income streams you are interested in. Real books, take course, and stay informed. If you are considering investments, do your research and consider consulting a financial advisor to make informed decisions. If you are into content creation, focus on providing value to your audience. High quality content attracts more viewers and potential income. Use technology and automatic tools to manage your income streams efficiently. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversifying your income source can provide stability. Take Jenny for example. She started a YouTube channel where she shares cooking tips. She constantly produces information and engaging contents. Over time, her channel grew, and now she earns money through ads, sponsorship, and affiliate marketing, all while she is focused on creating new content. Once you are set up your passive income streams, it's time to think about scaling up. Considering reinvesting your earnings to grow your investments or expand your business. As your income streams grow, you may need help managing them. Outsourcing tasks can free up your time. Stay open to new passive income ideas and opportunities as they arise. Meet Tom, a real estate investor. He started with one rental property and reinvest his profits into acquiring more properties. Now he has a thriving real estate empire that generates substantial rental income each month, all without him being actively involved in property management. Passive income is not without its challenges. It requires patience, time, and sometimes overcoming setbacks. Investment may go up and down in value, so be prepared for volatility. Setting up passive income streams can be hard work in the beginning. Stay updated with market trends and adapt to charges in your choice income streams. Every thought it's passive, some level of management may still be required. In conclusion, making money without doing anything is possible through passive income streams. Whether you are interested in investing, content creation, or other avenues, the key is to get started, stay consistent, and be patient. Over time, these streams can provide financial freedom, allowing you to enjoy life to the fullest. Thanks for joining us today on this journey into the world of passive income. If you found this video helpful, please give it to thumb up, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Remember, making money without doing anything is achievable with the right mindset and strategy. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks and always keep learning and growing. See you next time.